Alright, so I got a little bored and I just put all this aircraft stripper on here. See if it works faster than that sanding it on that side or on the roof. I'm just gonna spread this and just let it sit. No particular order to this. I just want the paint to peel, and I actually don't want it to peel evenly, which is why it's just random on how this is going to be sitting on here. I highly recommend, if you guys use this stuff, to wear gloves, because I got it in my eyes one time and trust me, it was not fun whatsoever. You can actually go blind from that shit. I don't know, it might be a little too cold to be doing this anyway, but we'll see. As you can see already, clear coat is just bubbling. It's pretty cool. Yeah, so I'm gonna let this sit, come back, and I don't know how long, go play some Gran Turismo or something. See how long it takes for this to take effect. Oh shit, I almost got that on my pants. Yeah, so that was the can I used right there. Let's see. Rust-Oleum aircraft remover. Bought it at AutoZone. Yeah, so as far as this thing goes, nothing much has happened. I took the hood off and just, that's about it. I do have the fuel pump, which is going to be a Walbro 255 external, along with some steel braided lines, so I can put on this. And I just have to figure out, I don't know if this comes off or not, but what size line will work on here, because I know the one I ordered said it was 6 a.m. So I don't know if that's gonna work on these fittings or not. I know this will be the return coming to the top, and this will be the feed, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. But yeah. And for those of you wondering, I do have the full interior to this car. It's actually just sitting right here. I've got the rear cargo cover and the back seats. Alright, let's see where this sits in an hour or so. As you can see, it works really quickly. So if you're interested in either taking your clear coat off or your actual paint, just slap some of this stuff on it. Alright, I'll do an update video as soon as it's done.